Hi guys, in today's video I'll show you how to disable traction control on a Toyota Hilux. So over here you can see the traction off symbol is there. When we press this, it's telling VSC is disabled, pre-collision brake system is unavailable, and even the traction off symbol has come on. But this is like a temporary disablement. Like if you go above 60 kilometers per hour after a certain time, the traction control will again come back. But if you want to permanently disable it, what we'll do is we'll again press it. Now that screen is gone, and I'll press it for 5 seconds. And now you can see it's telling traction control is turned off, and this will remain turned off. However, as you can see, you'll have to do this every time you switch on the car or use it. This too, as soon as you switch off the car and switch it on, it will go back to off. So yeah, every time you want to permanently switch it off, just hold it for 5 seconds. And traction control off. Hope this video is helpful. Do like, share and subscribe.